You are?
What's up?
Hi guys, this is me, first Animal Company video. So yeah, I don't know what to do.
This is like my 50-second Animal Company video.
I don't know what to do. So yeah, got a shotgun. I'm gonna go kill all monsters. Does this camera follow you?
You guys, I'm cool. Your video is better than mine. Right? Alright, ready?
Guys, I'm going to the forest.
One.
Let's go kill monsters. Chicken. Oh! RPG! I don't know why I will waste it. Grenade. We're gonna need this. Armstrong. Oh! Burn! How does he not care? Yes, he does. Yes, he does. Yes, he does. Chill. Chill, Marcus the spider. I had to. I had to. Ooh, revolver. Ow. Some ammo. So, can you guys please leave a like down there and a subscribe to my channel? Because I just now figured out how to record videos on my VR. So, if you want to see more VR Animal Company videos, just leave a subscribe down and do a comment for saying do more. Shoot, Marcus the spider!
Spider!
Don't leave me alone!
He's coming.
Marcus!
Spider! Wanna be yeah.
Bro, you stole my revolver, you thief!
Hold on, I just need to kill an enemy to get a weapon. Here, hold on.
Okay,
Die.
revolver ammo.
RPG.
Okay, can I have my
ammo.
weapon back? Ooh, never mind.
Okay, yeah, you can have it back now.
Okay, let me just whoosh.
Oh my god.
Let me grab my revolver. Oh, hello, Armstrong. I was just thinking about you. Man, you stole my chest. I'm going to kill Crazy Chicken. Ooh, ooh.
Crazy chicken chat.
Killed it.
There,
Get
bro.
the egg. Get the egg.
Okay.
Yo, I got an RPG and some ammo.
Yeah, take the ammo. Get the ammo. What was this? Oh, it's a VHS tape. What is this? I already have that one though.
I'm hitting the road. Armstrong! Don't steal my crates. Don't steal my crates.
Crowbar.
Yo, go get him! Oh no, he missed. Terrible.
Killed him.
Marcus? Hey, where's my... Yo, where's my RPG?
I don't know. What's this going on? It's right there.
shoot my Sam, get back in. No. Oh, I'm lagging. Yeah, I'm filming a video right now. How did I miss that? I'm bad at the game. First piece of ammo. There's two? There's two? There's
Don't
two!
kill me!
Wait, I did?
Kill me!
No, I didn't.
Yes, I died.
Whoa! Armstrong! Kill him! Kill Armstrong, not me! Res him.
Snails?
Yee.
That's mine! Give me that back! Ah,
There's no PvP. How could I kill you? There's no PvP.
I don't know, I just died.
And you blamed me?
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, when I MRE, I need MRE!
MRE? I bet it's gonna be in this place.
No, I don't want him. They're MRE.
Oh!
Disappeared on you.
Where did he go?
There's the spiders right there.
Guys, y'all wanna go to the haunted house?
Yeah,
Ah, bad.
haunted house.
Oh, flashlights.
Hey,
Let's go to haunted house. Wait, where's haunted?
Yeah, this is not the way. I was just following him.
Okay,
It's
let's
over
go
here.
here.
Guys,
It's
if
in
I have a
dark
light,
forest.
I don't have a light.
We don't need a light.
Alright.
Anglerfish is here. We need to be.
Oh, shoot!
Oh, freak! Oh, he's got a
First one.
revolver, so we're good.
Go. Just keep going. Just keep
Oh
going.
shoot!
Watch out. Don't get in front of him.
I know, but he's coming towards my light.
Run, bro.
Go, just go. Oh my God, did he end? And Angler's coming towards me. Kill Angler! He's gonna kill me.
Use the lightsaber.
Yeah,
get on
but
top of here. Get on
this
top of
is
here.
too late.
Get on top of here. Got him.
Oh, I killed him.
Yeah, that was me.
Okay. Hey, I grabbed it first.
Hey, do y'all have shot?
Guys, this way. Let's go. Come on.
Haunted house.
No,
yeah.
do y'all have,
Hold on, I'm finna quit
Whoa.
recording. real
Oh,
quick.
shoot!
So, I know it wasn't a long video, but this is my first time. So, if you want to do catching scammers next time, then we could do it.
Shotgun ammo?
So, bye. Oh!
Oh,
Kill him. I was doing my outro. Okay. So,
two shotgun
goodbye,
ammo.
guys. I know it wasn't a long video. Goodbye.
No, guys, look at this. Guys, I'm still recording. I'm still recording, guys. Let's go.
I'm gonna bring this shotgun for no reason. Ooh,
Kill him.
I am.